Isn't this guy just cute? I have to talk really softly because... Wait, there he is. That is a swamp wallaby. Scientific name is wallaby by colour, and it's a solitary animal, meaning it actually just likes to live by itself. Have a look at the beautiful thing. Looks like can't really tell the sexes. They're not really dimorphic, which means they are not really sex distinguished. Like in eastern grey kangaroos, the male is bigger than the female. These ones are pretty much the same. I'm only about 10 metres away from it. It seems pretty comfortable because I haven't got any closer and I'm not making any sudden moves. Doesn't feel threatened. I think I can see testicles, so it might be a male. As you can see, the animal's become more relaxed and started to move, feed again. It's probably going to move away because it thinks I'm a bit of a threat. This is awesome. Oh, sit down so it feels more relaxed now. The thing is about with animals, if you stay still and don't move, and if you cover one eye, they don't perceive you as a threat. But if you're moving around, they will perceive you as a threat. So this is awesome. When you're out in the bush, or if you come to Australia, then this is a animal you can see. It's a beautiful sight. And it's the only species in Wallaby. And it's, I think it diverged from Macropus about 5 million years ago. Macropus is the largest genus of macropods or kangaroos. And they're still probably radiating, so they're still forming new species now. So over the next 10 million years, the eastern and western grey kangaroos will probably divide up into different species. But the evolutionary tree of kangaroos is pretty sparse. So I hope you like this video and give it a thumbs up because kangaroos are awesome. So are wallabies. Bye bye.